In this video, we're going to look at how to Google. It's fairly straightforward, but still some things need to be explained. So let's get started. First of all, what is Google? Google is a company. It's owned by Alphabet Inc. And Google primarily started off as a search engine. And that's what it mainly does, among other things. And Google is the de facto search engine that everybody uses. But there are some alternatives. For example, Bing, Yahoo Search, or DuckDuckGo. These are some alternatives for Google, but predominantly Google is what everybody uses by default. And you can use Google to search anything. So here I have some examples, and I'm going to demonstrate some of these examples. So the first thing that you would be interested in searching on Google is just information. For example, what is the capital of India? We just searched what is the capital of India, and it says New Delhi, and it's showing you some things about New Delhi. And let's go back to the home page. Let's say, what is the capital of Tamil Nadu? And again, you get the answer along with some information about the answer. And it's very, very organized search results. We can also search other information like what is the distance between the sun and the earth. And as you can see here, even before we complete the question, it's giving us the answer right here. And you can click on it to see it in more detail. You can also search for other things like how much is $1 in Indian rupees. And you can see here, it's already giving us the answer. And also you can say how long is 1 kilometer in inches. And you can see here, it's giving us a conversion. 1 kilometer is these many inches. What is the normal temperature? I was going to search this and it's already giving me the question. So what is the normal temperature of the human body? It's giving us in Fahrenheit and centigrade. So you can do so much using Google. You can get so much information out of Google. That's one of the biggest things people search for is information. You can search for anything. Let's also search this one. How tall is the Statue of Unity? 182 meters. And we can also do other kinds of questions like how to do something. For example, if you want to prepare a cooking recipe, you can just say how to cook rice, and it'll give you basically videos about this. You can also say how to create an email ID on phone, and it'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. You can see here how to create a new email ID on Android phone, creating an email account on your phone. So these things are easily searchable on Google. You can also look up other things on Google. For example, how to go from Chennai Central to Express Avenue, and it will show you the directions. Okay, so it says it will take 11 minutes traveling 4.8 kilometers from this route, and it'll give you the instructions also. And one other thing that you can search for is images. For example, if you want to get some images, you can type the search term, and then here you can see some options here. So if you click on images, it'll show you the images from last year's IPL. Or if you want to see information, you type here. But if you want to see images, you click on here, and then you can see images of that whatever you're searching for. So these are some things that you can try out, the tabs on the top. I mean, these are some of the examples I've given. You can also do for product reviews. For example, how is the new Apple iPhone? And you have to go here and you can see reviews and stuff like that. You can also say product review Apple iPhone 11. So you can see a lot of reviews cropping up for that product. So this is how you do Google search. And there are some things that you need to be aware of. So I've listed a few common mistakes here. So for example, if you see here, the first one says you don't use the proper search terms. For example, if you look at this term and this term, there's a difference between these two terms. IPL will give you just very generic results. If you do just IPL, it'll give you whatever is likely what you're looking for. It'll just give you the general information on the right side and then the latest schedule on here. But you are looking specifically for the winner of IPL 2019. So you have to type that specifically here. And then it will show you the result. And not asking the right question. For example, if you just type train station, it'll just give you some random information, like it'll just give you some generic information. If you want to know how to get to Chennai Central Railway Station, you have to enter the whole thing there. So this is not the same as this. So right now it's showing you from whichever location you are in right now, it will show you how to get here. And sometimes it's possible that you are including too many search terms, so it won't give you the thing that you're looking for. You have to use the right amount of search words, and that is something that you'll learn as you use Google more and more. So the whole point of this video is to just introduce Google to you as an option for finding things out. And you're going to need this a lot in your career as a programmer, because no matter what you want to find, you just have to Google for it. And if you use the right terms, you will easily get the information you need. If you don't know how to do something, you just search for that thing. And the chances are that somebody already has documented how to do that thing. So honestly, you really don't need anything other than just Google to learn whatever you want to learn. So how to Google is very, very, very important important. You have to learn how to Google if you want to be successful as a developer for sure. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get updates on future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.